I had a huge improvement from last year in my hip. Between last year and this year, I did lose 60 pounds. Okay, I'm much more active. Yeah, sure. My name is Brian Chava. I'm a doctor in North Jersey. I'm an endodontist. I do root canals for a living. And while this is my second time here, I was here last year at the same time. And I guess really, as I think about it, the big reason I'm back is probably because I love my daughter. I'm getting to the age where I have some injuries, hip, and I have a small tear in my elbow, and just recently. So I'm back to get stem cells in both again. And so I decided to do another injection in my hip. And just about 2 months ago, I did have a slight tear in my elbow. So while I'm down, getting both done. So it's been a great week so far.
Now you kind of got your life back. Lose 60 pounds.
Yeah, it was great. I mean, I used to have a bit of pain. I was fortunate enough. I had a great orthopedic surgeon in North Jersey at Aceto Knolls at Tri-County, and they did a great job. But afterwards, I started to get a little scarring, a little extra care here and there, which is some arthritis, and this a little less mobility with some discomfort, hard to put on my shoes and socks a little bit, and wasn't warranted another surgery. I had some success with PRP, but this was definitely the next level.
What made you choose BioXcellerator with all the other stem cell clinics out there?
Research. Okay, research. If you do your research, you know where not to go. Okay, so there's really not many choices if you have confidence. Okay.
Being in the medical field, did you talk to, say, I know you do root canals, but say you talk to your orthopedic, what does he think about stem cells?
It's interesting because in the United States, it's slowly coming where it's going to be coming sooner or later. And unfortunately, it's with many don't understand, but some that do the research do understand. And it will be there eventually. Unfortunately, there's a lot of headwind against it. Comes from big pharma and so forth. So, but some of them were open to it very much so, and they understand that there are possibilities. Sometimes you can use your own stem cells, which we know are not as effective. You can use your own bone marrow or your fat, but you're not really getting the quality.
How about having the lab inside the clinic? Does that make a big difference?
Yeah, it does. When you actually see them right through the window, it's nice when they wave to you. Okay, it makes you feel kind of comfortable that, you actually know that your stem cells are right through the glass and they're coming out fresh, and you're guaranteed that you're going to be getting the quantity, and that's the issue, you're getting the quantity. And when they try doing your own stem cells and different things in the States, there's no way you're being guaranteed quantity or quality. They can't scientifically tell you exactly how many you're getting.
How is the physical therapy?
Oh, they're good. Oh, they're really thorough. They're really thorough. I have that later on today. They're very thorough. Looking forward to them, and they're on you.
They work here.
Oh my gosh, yes they do. They call me at home to make sure I'm doing my exercises. Any questions, which is great.
Now, last but not least, if you're someone outside of South America or in Colombia, and you're on the fence about coming to get stem cells, you having success, having been through it before, what would you tell them?
I tell you, it's a great city. The food is wonderful. Everything's organic. We went out to did some tours for a couple days and into farm country, and I've been to the markets, and it's amazing the produce that's there, how good it is. Everything tastes better. It's great, and it's a lot of fun, and the people are really nice.
No obesity.
No, it's not. No, it's amazing. Thank you very much. Yeah. The foods are unfortunately not as good here as they are. They're much better here than they are in the United States.
Yeah, it's almost like in this way we're going towards the future, but in the other way we're chasing going back in time just to eat clean food.
Yeah. Back in the States, there's 14 ingredients in McDonald's French fries.
Crazy.
Yeah, it is crazy.
Well, thank you, and we appreciate you giving us your time.
Yeah, it was great. Thanks so much.